This is Igam, my channel on messing around with cars. So this is my current project, Project locost-mx5, which is a budget build. I'm trying to build this car, as you can see from the title, for £1,000 all in. So yeah, if you want to see the build playlist, check out the link up there. This is the current state of it, episode 9 so far. So there we go, episode 9 will start now. Right, so that's the subframe stripped down. Near enough there now. Just need to take these engine mounts off. So this is how the front suspension fits in. It's two 17mm bolts. These offset ones again for adjustment on the bottom, and then through this tube there's a really long bolt which goes through the top two bushes and that tube, and that's this one. Really long bolt, and they all opened surprisingly easily. So I just need to get in there now, get that, looks like a 17mm nut off inside there, which will take these engine nuts off, and then I can get all this cleaned up and give it a coat of paint. So that's completely stripped down now. As you can see, I've started scraping a little bit, so I'll get on with that, and then I'll get the drill on it with a wire cup again and get it all cleaned up, ready for paint. So that's cleaned up now. Still got loads of dust all over it, but it needs, because it's had oily bits on it before, it needs a good degrease before painting. So anyway, that's basically how it'll sit. Well, it's not into place yet. These two holes here need to be on these two studs, so I'll do that in a sec. But yeah, it's all been cleaned, and that's obviously the car's upside down now, but that's where the front subframe will live. I'll put it into place now. There we go. It's on the front mount there now. So it's not straight, but that's how they sit in. Two bolts stick up there. So this is the last bit I need to do on this one. This bit will go flush onto here. So what I need to do is drill a hole through for here. This is the last mounting. And the same over on that side there. So I'll get it squared down on all the mounting points, mark these holes, get these drilled, and get the bolts in. Try that one again. So it's finally sitting down now, flush on the frame. It's on this mounting point here. So there we go. Just get a better idea of what I need to do. So as that's right on the weld, that's no good for the bolt. So what I'm going to do is stretch this hole. Just can't see the light. Stretch this hole that way. So it's going through this bottom cross thing. So that was the whole point of fitting this, to take that bolt. So I'll clamp this down into place now. Probably just put a nut on there, and then drill a fresh hole straight through there, and exactly the same on that side. And then all this needs done is just a degrease, coat of undercoat, same as the car, and then that'll be front subframe done. Right, it's that done now, so bolt in, nut on down there, and that's basically it. So you can see where I've put the new hole. It's just a little bit further forward than the other one, but it'll do the same job, just to support this very bottom end of the front subframe. So do the same over on that side now, and then take it off and give it a coat of paint. So that's degreased, cleaned up, and given a coat of paint. So front subframe ready to go back on now. So just giving there a bit of a wipe, and I'll get it on. Right, that's that sat in place. So I just need to tighten the bolts down. So for that, I have this new tool. So it was my birthday recently, so my wife was fed up of me moaning about hitting my knuckles and hurting myself, so she bought, well, very kindly bought me this, which is first time using it today. So see how it goes. It's got to should make everything much easier, so might be a bit loud. Definitely easier than using a spanner. Right then. So that is that all bolted down. So yeah, I think that's that'll have to be the end of this episode. So that's front subframe in there now, bolted down. Just another quick update. So got them bits there. I got these from scrapyard when I took the MX5 that was on the trailer. If you've seen from the other episodes, you've seen the MX5 on the trailer. That's gone now. Searching everywhere for these, and I got these for £8, £8. It's very, very good. And the fuel tank, stainless steel fuel tank. I paid £11.50 for that one, so that was another bargain. So, so as soon as I've got all the suspension on and fitted and all the welding's finished, I am going to paint the frame. I've got the paint in there. I'll get the paint done on there, and then I'll fit the floors, and then that should be the last time it's upside down. Then I can start actually fitting components, which I'm sure you'll be glad to see, rather than just cleaning and painting. So so yeah, so as you can see, the trailer's gone. Well, the trailer's not gone, but it's still there. It's over there now. And we have this mystery car under the cover here, and that is my other MX5, which I've got a couple of videos planned for that one. I won't bother uncovering it now, it's going to rain. But yeah, there should be some videos on that coming up soon. And then over here, where there was a lot of crap, there's a trailer there now, but there's a nice car-shaped space there, which should be getting filled with another project this week. So yeah, it's all happening. And the last bit of this video I need to do is I will add a photo, probably just show it now. So as you've just seen there's a price breakdown of everything I've spent so far. So there's with the aluminium, the fuel tank, paint, the money I got from scrapping the old MX5 shell. Do also have this axle, which was in the kit car. That I do have someone interested in that, so yeah, we'll see if that goes. So yeah, I'll end this one there. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you enjoy seeing this kind of stuff and interested in our new projects, I won't say what they are now. I'll do with that